Ito ang pinto sa lahat ng sakramento. Ito ang pinto sa langit. Kaya nagpapasalamat muna ako sa mga magulang to make such a beautiful decision.
Hi, Kobe! Happy birthday! We just want you to know how lucky and blessed we are to have you. You are so loved by your family, especially from me, Daddy, and your two sisters. Let's greet Kobe. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Kobe! We love you! Mwah!
Hi Obi, happy first birthday and welcome to the Christian world. Be healthy always and be good. We love you. Mwah.
아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real red hearts that's what I'm on yeah come give me something I can feel don't you want me like I want you baby don't you need me like I need you now sleep tomorrow but tonight go crazy all you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 아파트
It's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party. Go make it go, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like
And thank you for the first birthday ng aming bunsoy na si Jacob Estan. Yung sa mga mananalig na dito, really appreciate the effort. Mga taga-Mandaluyong, mga taga-Pinas, bunso, sana'y lumaki kang sakto lang, mabait, siyempre napalayin sa sating, at dala at matulungin sa kanyang kapwa.
Same, we would like to express our thanks sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta. Yan, may wish for Kobe. Sana, anak, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, lumaki ka na may pagmamahal, at saka lumaki ka na alam mo maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Love ko.